Okay, YouTube, I'm coming to you with a quick video here. This is Pete from Pete's Auto, and if you find this video helpful, just hit that like button and then click on the subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'm going to be doing some videos coming up here and just helpful videos of common things that I see here at the shop. But what we're going to do is we're going to reset the maintenance light on this Lexus ES350. So what you're going to do is, I have the ignition on right now, as you can see by this indicator. If the mileage is displayed, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to push this button one time till it's on trip A. Then you're going to turn the key off, just like this. Then, I'm doing it with one hand, but you're going to hold this button down, push it in, and then you're going to hit this button twice. It'll bring all the indicators up, and you'll see now it's flashing. When it gets down, it'll go to zeros, and then it'll back to trip A. Just simply let go of that button, turn the key off, and you're all set. Hope this video helps you. Have a great day.